Welcome back to Fast Takes. If you have a 1967 and 1972 Chevy C10 with the factory gas tank still behind your back seat, then it's definitely time to think about upgrading and getting a gas tank that's going to relocate in between the frame rails behind the truck. Now, it's very important to end up relocating the gas tank from behind the seat, and if you want to get more information on that, we do have a couple YouTube videos that explain why it's so important to move the gas tank. Now, the gas tank I have in front of me today is a 17-gallon gas tank with a filler neck that's going to be more in the center here. It's going to come with your sending unit, the hardware, and then the gas tank straps as well to be able to mount it in the rear of your truck. But now you can get two different options here as far as gas tanks is going to go. So you can have either the one I have in front of me today, which will have the filler neck here closer to the center, or you can have one that's like our truck where you'll have the filler neck on the side of the gas tank.